morning dear students, welcome back to CLE Science online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well at your home. Dear students, just recall what we are learning. We are learning about the birds, okay. So the first thing we are learning about the birds, that is the beaks of a birds, is it? So in the last class, which type of beaks we have discussed? We have discussed totally two types of beaks. What are those? First one is the strong, sharp and hooked type beaks, and another one is strong, short and hard beak. What are the example of strong, sharp and hooked type beak? That is the beak of eagle, beak of vulture, beak of hawk, okay. So three examples we have discussed yesterday. Next example we have discussed about the pigeon and the sparrows. They have very strong, short and hard beak. Okay dear students, in today's class we are going to learn some another types of the beak of the birds. So dear students, what you can see here? Here a beautiful green color parrot, is it? But have you observed this type of beak? Which type of beak it is? It is a curve, okay. It is a curve like nature, is it? So this is the curved beak where the parrot eats nuts and other hard fruit like walnuts, okay. Just because they have a curved beak, so they can eat nuts and other fruits like walnuts, hard foods. Have you ever eat the walnuts? How it is? It is the it's have a one coating. In that coating a seed is present. It is about the walnut. So they have a hooked beaks to help them crack open their food. So you can see here a very sharp and hook type structure they have about the beak. So parrot eat nuts and other hard fruit like walnuts. They have hooked beaks to help them crack open their food, okay. So the example of curved beak is, you can take an example about the parrot. Is there any bird are there the same curved beak? Let's discuss. Okay, so another beak you have, okay. Which bird it is? It is a parakeet, okay. So which type of bird it is? It is a parakeet. So how the parrots have a curved beak? In similar way the parakeet also have a curved beak, okay. So here how they are eating their food? By the help of their beak. What they are doing? They are eating nuts and other hard fruit like walnuts. How the parrot is eating the walnuts? In similar way parakeet is also eating the walnuts with the help of their curved beak, okay. So how they are going to do is, they have hooked up because the structure of this beak like a hook it, okay. So this hooked type structure beaks to help them crack open their food, okay. So what they are doing? They are cracking the fruit and break it, okay. So this is the curved beak of parrot and parakeet. Now let's discuss the next type of beak, that is the very strong chisel shaped beak, okay. So dear students, which bird it is? It is a woodpecker. What is the spelling of woodpecker? W-O-O-D, wood, P-E-C-K-E-R-S, woodpeckers, okay. One woodpecker, and if so many woodpeckers are there, it is a woodpeckers. So how the beaks they have? They have very sharp, long and pointed, okay. Very long, sharp and pointed. So with this help of this wood, so dear students, with the help of this sharp and long beak, what woodpecker doing? They are use their beaks to poke holes. Poking means ಹೊಡಿಯೋದು. Okay, as I told, ಹೊಡಿಯೋದು, ಪಕ್ 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 ಪಕ್. Okay, so in this way continuously they are poking to the holes of hard trunk of trees and pull out insects to eat. So why they are pulling or why they are poking to the holes of trees? Because the trees have, if they have any type of the insects, so they are poking to the trees and after that pull out insects to eat. So this is the woodpecker. Okay, so dear students, which type of beak they have? They have a strong chisel and shaped sharp beak. Okay, so here this is the strong chisel shaped beak. Okay, now let's go for the next type of beak. Okay, so dear students, you can see here a very long and pointed means very sharp, very tube. Okay, tube you can say, or you can say very pointed. So this is which type of bird? It is a hummingbird. What is the spelling of hummingbird? Do you know, dear students? This hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Okay, so what is the spelling of hummingbird? HUMMINGBIRDS, hummingbirds. They have long, okay, they have long and pointed beaks to suck the nectar from the flowers. Okay, they are going to take the food in the form of nectar with the help of these sharp and pointed beaks. What they are doing? They are sucking the nectar and they put their beaks inside the flower to suck nectar from them. Okay, if suppose it is a flower, so with the help of this pointed beak, what they are doing? They are sucking the nectar of the flower. Okay, so this is the long and pointed beaks. Okay, so another bird we have, that is the sunbirds. Dear students, sunbirds is, you can see this is a little bit purple in color. Okay, they also have very long pointed beaks to suck nectar from the flowers and they put their beaks inside and flower to suck nectar from them. Okay, with the help of this pointed and such type of beak, what they are doing? They are sucking the nectar with the flower. Okay, so they are going to take the nectar from the flowers. Okay, so why they are doing? For having the nectar of the flower. Okay, so dear students, these are totally 4 types we have learned. Just recall one by one. Okay, so let's recall one by one. So it is the curved beak. Okay, so parrot is the best example of curve like a beak. Okay, parrots eats nuts and other hard fruits like a walnuts. They have a hooked beaks to help them crack open their food. Okay, with the help of this curved type of beak, what they are doing? They are cracking the hard fruit and they are having it. Next is the similarly the curved beak. Okay, so another example of curved beak, that is the parakeet. They are eating the nuts and other hard fruits like a walnuts. Okay, so with the sharp and curved type beak, what they are doing? They are breaking the hard substance or a hard core of the fruits. Okay, similarly the next example about the strong chisel shaped beak is woodpecker. What they are doing? They have very sharp and long and pointed. Okay, sharp, long and pointed. So what they are doing? They are poking to the trees. Okay, the trunk of the trees, and whatever insects are present on the trees, they are going to be have it. Okay, they are going to be have it. So hard trunk of the trees and pull out insects to eat. So this is the example of strong chisel shaped beak. Another example about the long and pointed beaks, that is the hummingbirds. So which type of beak they have? Long and pointed beaks. So what they are doing? They are putting the beaks inside the flower and suck the nectar from them. So with the help of their pointed and long beaks, they are sucking the nectar from the flowers. Similarly, the last one we have discussed today, that is the sunbirds. Okay, So dear students, what is the spelling of sun? It is the combination of two words, that is the sun and the birds. S-U-N, sun, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Okay, it is a purple sunbirds which have long pointed beaks to suck nectar from the flowers, and they put their beaks inside the flower to suck nectar from them. Okay, so what they are doing, with the help of their sharp and pointed beak, they are sucking the nectar, okay, nectar from the flower. So dear students, today we have discussed totally 4 types of the beak, another 2 types of the beak we have, and with this we are going to learn about the claws, okay. So dear students, with this all the things we are going to discuss in the next class. Till that time, stay safe, stay healthy, bye bye.